Hi, yo, YouTubers. Yo, YouTubers. How's it going? I forgot you were there. I've got a beer review for you, folks. Mysterious, unexplained. Never seen it, never drank it before. Experience. One of those things. A first time experience drinking a beer. It's just fantastic. It really is. Bloody marvellous it is. You wouldn't be able to understand how bloody great it is to drink a beer for the first time that you really like, and it blows your bloody mind. On the other hand, I'm gonna beer review, get it over with, it's a load of crap, people think it's shit, stop worrying about it, Davey. Let's get on with it. Get on with it. Have we got an audience out there? Am I suddenly going to go viral? Is that what it's all about? You think I'm going to go viral there? Before we do anything, I'm just going to make up got some CBD. You know, that stuff. It's like, looks like weed, smells like weed, tastes like weed. Doesn't get you bloody stoned like weed. Yeah, well, I've got some here, haven't I? Well, I'll tell a lie, I haven't. Doesn't get you stoned anyway, so it doesn't matter. Silly joke. So instead, go on, bugger off weed. I hate you. I think you're poo. So instead, North Brewing Company. Son of a songbird yesterday. She's She's not like anyone. She's not anyone. She's a beer I like. An IPA. An IPA I want. Alright. 6%, guys. It's from North Brewing Company, Songbird. Songbird. Got it in the Asda, not sure how much. £3. £3, I think. This rich, smooth IPA has flavours of sweet, juicy blueberry alongside sharp, fresh cut pineapple. Ingredients: water, barley, wheat, hops, Citra, Mosaic, that's the hops, yeast, Zutaten, Wasser, oh that's the German one, anything else, brewed by North Brewing Company, Springwell, Buslingthorpe Lane, Leeds. Leeds, a place where punk rockers gather to see a festival. Old punk rock music you will never believe in your life. Well, let's get on with this song about the songbird yesterday. Never find out why. So it looks on the camera there, it looks blue in it, and yet to the naked eye is very purpley purple. That's a little bit fucked up, in my opinion. But who am I to whine? Songbird IPA. No frills, no big mad title. Oh, North Brewing Company. Songbird IPA. Yeah. I've got to make up for them. It's typing it in there. Oh, I don't know. What? Oh, yeah. Hold on. Yes, brother. Yes, yes, brother. We are followers of the beer, brother. Oh, yeah. I'd expect it to be like kind of hazy, like. Oh, needs to calm down a little, though. Needs to calm down a little. So in the meantime, oh, did any of the munchies? Just take them out. Take a break. Have a Kit Kat. Sponsorship deals on YouTube if you don't mind, everyone. Please, come on. I think I'll just stop and have a Kit Kat. Chunky caramel. Oh, look. That's delicious. Kit Kat. Oh, hold on. Take a break. Take a Kit Kat. Mm. Mm. Oh my word. It's a proper Kit Kat flavour. With all kinds of synthetic chemicals. And go. She's a little vine in my mind. Nice. She's not any plonk. She's not any plonk. Not any plonk. Not any plonk. There you go. Look at the state of that. Hey. Nah, I'm only joking. Well, that looks great. It's like homebrew. Look at it. It's like pineapple juice. It's got a lovely Club Tropicana drinks are free. Well, it's just called an IPA, isn't it? Wow, that's crazy, isn't it? Songbird IPA, 6%, no frills. Boom, bang, bang, bang. This rich, smooth IPA has flavours of sweet, juicy blueberry alongside sharp, fresh, cut pineapple. North Brewing Company, Songbird IPA, 6%. Up hell yeah. Did it smell it? Rhubarb and custard, all those things. Rhubarb and custard. Up hell yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Slurpability. Absolute slurpability. Rhubarb and custard. Smooth. Ice cream. That lovely dessert flavour, you know, the dessert and cream. Those fruit bowls used to get like pear, peach, half a cherry with a bit of that. It's got that Sunday. All migrants, welcome to the earth, welcome to my world, welcome to my channel. We will help you understand Britain and our ways, and you can join us in our ways and just chill out. Chill out, migrants. Chill out. Let's all pray for migrants right now. Lord God, help all the migrants. Make Britain like a TARDIS, like a TARDIS, Lord, like a huge inside-out TARDIS, and it's like the migrants can fit in one by one. Brilliant, millions. We're going to turn the whole of Britain into a big mad mothership. A TARDIS inside out. And on the outside, where you go to the countryside, now it's always the same. It's never going to change. That's the way it'll be like. Anyway, this beer, I like it a lot. It's dead smooth. It's not what I expected, especially for the way it looks. It's dead drinkable. Dead drinkable. It's almost like a fruit juice. Almost like a summer fruit juice. Not much bready after flavour or anything like that, because I don't know. I don't know why. Can't explain it. I haven't got any idea. I don't know why. I don't know why. By the way, now I won't talk about that now. See the way the head's retained. You can see the quality when that happens. It's got that. I'm in a pub. I'm in a party. I'm in a tap room. I'm in a, like Glen Affleck's or somewhere. Look at the head retention like down there. Go ahead. Get in there, lad. Yeah, it's got that punch type flavour, fruity, tropical bit like, but without a lot of it, but a lot of those elements. More like a very tame level milkiness to it. Fine if you like that kind of thing, but 6%, man, that kind of has no kick, if you know what I mean. So this is very deceptive. Approach with caution, everyone. If you drink this, you might get very drunk very easily and poo your pants at a bus stop wearing white trousers, not realising it's 6%. To taste like kiddie juice. It's just like pop. What you put at a party, like a birthday party for 5-year-olds, and then they'd all get bloody pissed. What is it time? 2021. Oh, sorry, 1 minute past 8. On the 29th of September 2023. Yeah, it's just gone 8 o'clock here. And this beer, it's very nice. It's high quality. It's dead easy to drink. North Brewing. I haven't drank that many North Brewing beers, like, but very nice. Very nice. So much so. It's so smooth. There's hardly much to say about it, but it's lovely, lovely and delicate. Yeah, it's a 10. I highly recommend that. It's very nice if you like that kind of thing. Look at it. No frills. Milky. Milky. It's got a milky, lovely milkiness. It really has. Very peculiar. You feel in your teeth. You know what I mean? Gets in your teeth. Very strange. Very strange. Like that. 10 out of 10. See it again.